Hey Reinas, I am back with another new video and I promise you, it's gonna come out on Monday. Things have been super busy here, so we are going to recreate a look that I did on one of my Facebook lives. It is a very pretty purplish blue look with a little bit of rhinestones to it. Yes, I know, your girl is extra. I got to be, right? So I have not primed my face yet. We're going to prime it with the Tom Ford primer. I got this, it looks like this. I got this at through Influencer. They told me to review it. I have been wearing it for the last few weeks and I absolutely adore it. It's called the Traceless Soft Matte Primer by Tom Ford. It rocks your socks, guys. Okay, this primer is legit so good. It leaves my face smooth all day long. Like, it doesn't get like oily in my T-zone area, which is where I usually get oily. Okay, next up, after primer, we will be going in with our foundation first this time, guys. I have been doing my foundation first and then my eyeshadow later. And I am using the Huda Beauty Butter Pecan foundation, or it's in the shade Butter Pecan. For some reason, my foundation has been coming out too light, okay? And I think it's because I've been in the sun more than I have been like in like a year and a half, basically. So I feel like my face has gotten a bit darker for the foundation that I used to use just like last month. I like the soft focus effect that the primer gave this foundation, because Huda Beauty does tend to be a bit thick. And I'm not going to put too much up. I'm not going to do too much up on my forehead right here because, you know, I'm gonna put a bunch of other shit on my forehead. Now, Huda Beauty is a full coverage foundation, guys, okay? It's the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. So this will be a thick consistency and it will be full coverage. Like, when I say full coverage, it's like, it's full coverage, okay? Okay, guys, now we are going to be going in with of course, our concealer for underneath the eyes. I am using the Ever Fabulous Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It is in shade Light Neutral, which is 22N. And I'm almost out of this. I need to get a new concealer. What are y'all's recommendations on good concealers? Because I've been out of the game for a little bit, guys. Okay, this is all I've been using. Yeah, Tarte Shape Tape is all I've been using. So I don't know, like, what's a good concealer? Like, I get one that I like and then I use it for life. And all these other good ones come out and I'm just like, oh, but is it really that good? So let me know. And I like to pat it in to make right underneath my eyes full coverage, and then I like to blend out. I do like to blend out. Now we are going to go in with some banana powder. Banana Dreams Loose Powder by W7. I got this from Beauty and Bling Boutique, which is my boutique. I do sell beauty products there. And I have been using this for quite a while because I try every beauty product. Sorry, I'm trying to close post this. Every beauty product that I sell, I always test out each product. So we've sold out of this already, but I just can't seem to stop using it because it's that good. It's a very silky, very smooth finish, but it doesn't leave you cakey. It doesn't have flashback or anything like that. How have you guys been doing? I feel like we haven't had a chance to talk in forever. Voila. Yeah, how have things been, guys? Because like, I feel like we haven't had time to chat. So let's chat. I'll tell you what's been going on in my life, and that's absolutely nothing. Nothing major to report back, okay? Same old, it's just work, film, social media, and boutique. And that's like my life right there. I did have a makeup appointment that I recently took over the weekend, and it went so well. It was like one of my first major appointments. That's what I've done. Basically the same thing that I always normally do. Okay guys, we are going in with the Cream Shop pomade right here. I am completely out of my Kybrow pomade, so I have to use the pomade that Beauty and Bling Boutique has, which is my boutique, obviously. Yeah, so we are going in with the Cream Shop brow pomade. It's in the color, does it have the color on here? In the color chocolate, because your girl likes her brows dark, okay, like 90s dark. I would say like chola dark, but my manager told me not to say chola dark. I guess that doesn't resonate with the people, or I don't know, but I like them dark, okay? They're dark. We're going to do a little trick that I like to call the eyebrow trick, because we don't have time to be showing you both brows, okay? So you see this one, we're going to try to recreate this one over here in 3, 2, 1. Voila, you've got the brows. Now we are going to go in with the eyeshadow color, Cara Confidential by Cara Beauty. It does look like this. Yes, that is what you see. Yes, it is. Okay, the palette itself looks like this. It is a purple and blue palette. Next, we're going to be going in with this steam roller right here. It is going to be a purplish blue look. You always want to tap the excess off so that way there's less fallout. Sometimes I remember to do it, other times I don't remember to do it. After that shade, we are going to go in with Till the End, which is almost like a deep purple black shade. Like so. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this stoned color right here, and we're going to go in with the finger because I don't like to use a brush when I do my own makeup. As you can see, it is looking pretty good. And there you have it, folks. That's the look, minus the big finale. After this, it is bronzer, and we will be using the Fenty Beauty Island Ting right here. You can see my messy background. Next up, we are going to contour the nose. This is my favorite part because it's so easy. Next up, we are going to use blush to kind of rosy up these cheeks, and we are using the Kylie Jenner blush in, it's called Hopeless Romantic. It is like a orangey red blush. I absolutely adore this. I love Kylie Jenner anything. Don't get me wrong, like I love me some Kim Kardashian too. Basically, I love all the Kardashians, okay? Don't judge me. Next up, we are going to do the liner. We're going in with the Epic Ink Liner by NYX Professional Makeup. It is waterproof and it is in the shade Black. Little problem, missing my stones, but I found them. It's okay. We're going to go in with the rhinestones right here. Low-key was scared I wasn't gonna be able to do this with my fingers, but it worked. And there you have it, folks. These are the stones that I had in. Super cute, right? Super cute. Okay, next up we are going to go in with the lashes, and these lashes are by a local company or a local brand, Accessorize with Coco. And like, look at these lashes. These lashes are like literally everything. This is what I've been wearing in like every video. Like, I'm obsessed. We are gonna do this little trick. I go bloop, 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 bloop. And there you go, there goes the lash. I personally feel like a good lash makes the whole look. So next up, we are going to go in with the lipstick. I did have a nude lippy. So we have the ColourPop I Love Sahari Collab Lippy Pencil in shade 951, which looks like this. And then we've got the 90s Girl by Cara Beauty. Like, I love this look. OMG, I am obsessed with this combo. Next up, we are going to get this undone. You like my little ojo headband? I know, it's cute. We're going to get this undone. We're going to affix this nap, and let's see. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you have enjoyed coming and watching me talk to myself. Again guys, thank you for all of the support. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you hit that bell button so that way every Monday you will be notified when a new video goes live, okay? And I will catch you guys later. Peace.